Welcome. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you or teach you on how to give access to developer or staff on Shopify.com. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, what you need to do is to open your browser and search for Shopify.com. After that, just go ahead and sign in your account. Now, once you are signed in, what you need to do is to click on the settings section at the lower left corner of your screen. So click on settings. Now you want to click on users and permissions. So once you are here, what you need to do is to scroll down until you see this section. Okay, so now click on add stuff. Now put their first name, last name, and their email. So sample, let me just go ahead and put a random name and last name and the email. Okay, so now as you can see, there's this store permissions. So just go ahead and choose any permissions that you allow. So if you want this staff to have access in all of these permissions, just go ahead and click on this, select all permissions. Okay, so now you can just go ahead and check this if you want to. Now just go ahead and double check all of the details. Now, once you are happy with this one, click on send invite. So here, by confirming these sensitive permissions, this user will have access to actions that could significantly affect your store. So this user can also assign these permissions to other users. So these are the list. So request customer data, edit permissions, edit billing payment methods and pay invoices, manage other payment methods. Okay? So if you are happy with this one, click on confirm. And now your staff should receive an email. And what they need to do is to click on the link in that email and just go ahead and simply accept the invitation. Okay? And after they accept the invitation, they should have the full access on your Shopify store. Okay? And that's it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one, and have a great day.